Hello everyone. Citroen has unveiled the new Berlingo, which will be exclusively sold as an EV in Europe, appropriately named the e-Berlingo. The updated model boasts a much more modern appearance than its predecessor and comes equipped with a host of new technologies that are sure to be appreciated by customers. The design of the new Berlingo is a departure from the old model. While it maintains a recognizable overall shape, the front end has undergone a significant transformation, incorporating a new bumper, a revised grille, and updated headlights with a distinctive 3-segment LED light signature. The Citroen oval badge takes a prominent position on the front fascia, while models with the Advanced Comfort XTR Pack feature an aluminum effect skid plate. Citroen has adopted a somewhat more understated approach to the design of the Berlingo's rear fascia, although the vertical LED taillights still make a distinctive impression. Shoppers will be able to spec their new Berlingo in 5 body colors consisting of Chiana Blue, Circa Green, Kaolin White, Perla Nera Black, and Steel Gray. Roof racks are also available, as are the option between 16 and 17-inch wheels. Significant alterations have been made to the cabin. One of the key upgrades is new advanced comfort front seats that Citroen says have specific high-quality foam and side supports, which guarantee a high level of comfort. Found in the second row are 3 individual seats, although the XL version of the Berlingo adds 2 extra seats in the third row. One particularly welcome feature is a rear window that opens independently of the tailgate. The new model is also well equipped with a wide array of technologies. These include the latest My Citroen Play 10-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is also a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, a wireless smartphone charger, and no less than 18 driving assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Power comes courtesy of a 50 kilowatts LFP battery that drives a 136 horsepower, 100 kilowatts electric motor. The French marque expects it to be able to travel up to 320 kilometers, 200 miles, on the WLTP combined cycle, a 20% improvement over the old model. As standard, the car comes with a 7.4 kilowatts onboard charger, but can be optioned with an 11 kW 3-phase charger. While the new Berlingo will be sold exclusively as an EV in Europe, it will be offered with Blue HDI 90 horsepower, 100 horsepower, and 130 horsepower diesel engines, and 2 PureTech 110 horsepower and 130 horsepower petrol engines in other markets. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the new 2024 Citroen Berlingo. What do you all think about its features and design? Drop your opinions in the comments below.